Alright, so let's jump into this problem. In the figure shown, BC is parallel to AD, so we know that it's a trapezoid, and AB is equal to CD, so these two are the same. Now, if those two are the same, we know that this is going to be an isosceles trapezoid. So the question here is asking us, what is the perimeter of the quadrilateral? So because we know it's an isosceles trapezoid, two things are going to be true. I need to figure out actually the length of AB and the length of CD, and I know when I get those two lengths it's going to be the same. So what I'm simply going to do is I'm going to form two triangles right here. Now if I form two triangles right here, I know that this must be 6, that must be 6 as well. Now if that is 6, I know also that the length of BC here is 10, so the length of BC is 10, and the length of BC is 10, the length of AD is also 26. Now, with that being the case, now what I simply can do to find the length of A, let's call this M, and let's call this L. To find AM, all I simply need to do is subtract 10 from 26 and divide that by 2, because both of these must be the same as well. So we're going to know that those are going to be the same. So if those are going to be the same, what I'm going to do, so 26 from 10 from 26 is going to simply be 16 divided by 2 is going to be 8. So this is going to be 8, that's going to be 8. So we know that's going to be the situation with that. So the question asking us for the perimeter, we still need to find AB and CD. Alright, so let's find AB. So to find AB, since we know that we have a right triangle right here, we can use Pythagorean theorem. And use Pythagorean theorem, we realize that AB are simply going to be equal to square root of 8 squared plus 6 squared, which going to simply be equal to 10. Now we could also use a Pythagorean triple right here. This is 6, this is 8, so this must be 2 more, so this must be 10. Now if that is 10, I know that over here is going to be 10 as well. So now I can add everything. That's going to be 10 plus 20. Those two 10s going to be 20, so that's 30 plus 26, that's going to be 56. So my perimeter for this one going to be 56.